Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2018 BMW X4. The BMW X4 provides excellent handling and comes standard with all-wheel drive. The X4 has an attractive interior which is outfitted with extremely high-end materials. This vehicle has less than 8,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power passenger seat, keyless entry, power liftgate, traction control, leather-wrapped steering wheel, dual airbags, power steering, alloy wheels, four-wheel disc brakes. Is love at first sight really possible? Let us know when you stop in.
To be eligible for the Certified Pre-owned Vehicle program, a BMW must pass a thorough inspection by factory-trained technicians. Stop into your local BMW dealer today and ask to see the BMW Certified Pre-owned Inspection Checklist. It is your assurance that pre-owned BMW you are purchasing retains the quality, reliability, and overall pleasure that BMW owners have come to expect.